Salut les filles. So this is page 151. I'm just going to write this up here. Okay, page 151. Okay, page 151. Okay, I just so you see that there. Page 151. Okay, and we're just having a look at today. We're having a look at the on forum online. Online means online. Okay, so an online forum. Okay, la vie au collège. La vie au collège just means school life. Okay, la vie au collège, school life. So we're just going to have a look at these four people, okay? The first person we've got here is Salma, okay? So, salut. Moi, je m'appelle Salma. So, hello, my name is Salma. Oh, sorry, before I just go on ahead anymore, you're going to be writing one of these forums, so you can use the structure of this to fill in what we're going to be looking at the bottom of the page, okay? So just be paying attention what you can be using for, okay? So, she says here, j'habite à Tours, so I live in Tours, okay? J'ai 15 ans, I am 15, okay? Je suis en classe de quatrième, okay? Yeah, so remember in French and in France they go, in Ireland we go first year, second year, third year, fourth year, fifth, sixth. In France they go down anyway, so they go sixth year, so sixième, cinquième, quatrième. So this is the equivalent of her third year. Okay, so she'd be in third year here. Okay, mes matières préférées sont, so my favorite subjects are. Okay, because she has more than one favorite subject, she's using sont. If she only had one favorite subject, you say ma matière préférée est. So she says mes matières préférées sont les français et les maths. J'aime bien le prof de maths. I really like the math teacher. Il est amusant et il explique bien. He's really funny and he explains things well. I was wondering, explique. Explique here means explains. Okay. Mon sport préféré est le foot. So my favorite sport is football. Okay. So that's Salma. Gerard. So Gerard, salut tout le monde. So he said hello everybody. I just want you to underline tout le monde. Tout le monde means everybody. Okay. Salut tout le monde. Moi, j'adore aller au collège cette année. I love going to school this year. Okay. I want you to underline here the plein de. Plein de means I have lots of. J'ai plein de copains. I have lots of friends. Et des copines. So copain is male friends here. Et copine is female friends. So she's saying I have lots of male and female friends in my class. Mes meilleurs amis sont. My best friends are. So remember, meilleurs amis. So his two best friends. Okay. His two best friends are Sophie et Raoul. On rigole. I want you to underline that rigole. On rigole bien ensemble. I mean, we have a good laugh together. Okay. On rigole bien, we have a good laugh together. Okay. And that's really nice when you can use it for your chat about your best friend. Okay. On s'envoie des messages amusants même en classe. So we send each other. That's the verb envoyer, to send, okay? Des messages amusants, même. I want you to know that même. Même is a word we haven't seen before yet. Même means even. Even in class, okay? J'aime bien l'informatique. L'informatique is computers, okay? So he says, I really like informatique. I really like computers. C'est ma matière préférée. It's my favorite subject, okay? Here now we've got Valentin. Okay, à l'école j'aime seulement le français. He says I only like French. I want you on the seulement. Seulement means only. Okay, le français parce que j'adore lire. I love to read. So yeah. Okay. Par contre, I want you to learn par contre. Par contre here means on the other hand. Or it just means like the opposite to that. Okay. Je suis nul en musique. I am useless at music. So je suis nul en. I'm terrible at. Now, if you want to say you're terrible at something you're all girls, you're gonna have to change that nul to N-U-L-L-E. So you can say je suis nul en français. I'm terrible at French. Or je suis nul en anglais. I'm terrible at English. Je suis nul en. Okay. Alors, je déteste le samedi matin. Je déteste. I hate Saturday morning parce que on commence par un cours de musique à 8 heures. So you're saying, I hate Saturday morning because we start with cours de musique and music class, okay? En plus, c'est le weekend. It's also the weekend. Last person we have now here is Claire, okay? Salut, moi c'est Claire. So hi, it's Claire. J'habite à Metz dans l'est de la France. So I live in Metz in the east of France. J'ai 14 ans et je suis en cinquième. So she says I am 14. And remember, if you're going opposite direction in French, so sixth year is first, cinquième is second year. Okay? J'aime bien l'école. I really like school, mais je préfère les vacances, but I prefer the holidays. Okay? Ma matière préférée est les dessins. So her favorite subject, or she says, my favorite subject is art. J'aime beaucoup les professeurs. I really like the teacher. Okay? Elle est très sympa. She's really kind. Ma musique préférée est l'islam. Okay? So her favorite music is, yeah. Par exemple, Grand Corps Malade est une de mes chanteurs préférées. So, for instance, so when you par exemple, for example. Remember, so Grand Corps, so Corps is body, big. Grand Corps is body, Grand is big, and Malade is sick. So I don't know if it's big, sick body. I don't know if that's a group or not. Et un is one of my chanteurs préférés, one of my favorite singers. Okay, chanteur, singer. Okay, so I just want you to put some of that vocab into your copy, okay? You don't need to send it to me. Just maybe just make a note of it into your vocab, okay? What I want you to do now over the weekend is I want you to have a look at the success criteria it says down here, okay? So et toi. So ignore these questions. I want you to have a look at this et toi and you, okay? Écris quelques lignes sur ta vie au collège. So write a few lines about your life at school, okay? So the first thing, so these are the things you're going to have to do. So say hello. So you can hello can be like salut. It can be like a bonjour, whatever you want, okay? You can put in that there, okay? Now, here, give your age and your year in school. So you're going to say j'ai, whatever, 14 or 15 ans, whatever age you are, okay? And you're going to say je suis en, so you're going to use I am in quatrième. Je suis en classe de quatrième, what you've got up here, okay? I'm just going to highlight that for you. You're going to use that there. Je suis en classe de quatrième. I'm in third year, okay? Je suis en classe de quatrième, okay? So you can use that there, okay? So you see in class to quatrième, okay? Say you like school because you have lots of friends, okay? So you can say, you can use this friend, so say you like school because you can say, you can use these two lines here. J'adore Alice. I'm just going to highlight them for you. J'adore aller au cette année. J'ai plein de copains et copines dans ma classe. I have lots of friends in my class, so male and female friends in my class. Okay, so you can probably you don't need the copain. You can just say j'ai plein de copines dans ma classe because you're at an all-girls school. Okay, so ignore this copain. J'ai plein de copines. Okay. Mention what your favorite subject is. So you can say ma matière préférée est. So if you've got one favorite subject, you're going to use this one here. See what it says here, ma matière préférée est. So if your favorite subject is whatever, okay, and give the reason. Maybe you like the teacher, j'aime beaucoup le professeur, or je suis fort, I'm strong, or yeah, or any reason you can find. And then if you have two favorite subjects, okay, you're going to use this example here. Mes matières préférées sont. If you have two subjects, okay, you say mes matières préférées sont le français et les maths. Okay, my favorite subjects are French and math. Okay, if you're saying that your favorite subject is math, you have to say mes matières préférées sont les maths because math is plural. Okay, so just be careful on that. Merci beaucoup. Mention the subject you do not like. Okay, so a couple ways you can say you don't like something. Okay, if you want to say you don't like something, you can. Here. If you want to say something you don't like, okay, you can just put down je déteste. Je déteste, D-E-T-E-S-T means I hate, okay? Je déteste le français or je déteste l'anglais. I hate French or je déteste l'anglais. And give a reason why. So you're going to follow that by, for instance, like, je déteste l'anglais parce que je n'aime pas le prof. I don't like the teacher. Yeah, or you can also say, for instance, je suis nul. Here, see this one here? Je suis nul en. I'm really terrible at it, okay? And remember, you're going to use a double L here because you're female, okay? Let's put an F beside that, okay? The last thing there is, so give a reason there, okay, why you don't like it. You can say, another reason you might say, le prof nous donne beaucoup de devoirs. Okay, the teacher gives us, le prof nous donne, the teacher gives us beaucoup de devoirs, lots of homework, that's D-E-V-O-I-R-S. My writing is quite bad, so D-E-V-O-I-R-S, okay? Say that you like school, but you prefer the holidays, okay? So, okay, so this is in the comprehension, I'll just find it for you here. It's somewhere in the comprehending here, and where she says, like, je préfère, j'aime l'école, mais je préfère les vacances. Now you see it in there, okay? Oh, there it is, there, look. So you can say, j'aime bien l'école. See that one there? I did it. J'aime bien l'école, mais je préfère les vacances. That's what you can use for the fourth point as well, okay? Or sorry, for the last point there, but add in another reason as well, okay? Say why else, you maybe say why you like school and maybe why you like the holidays. Is that okay? Merci beaucoup, les filles. I will send this on a Google document, so just try and do it on a Google document because it's easier for me to correct, okay? So don't worry about, ignore the questions here. Just focus on this little written bit here. Is that okay? Merci beaucoup, okay?